Good morning class 9. Today in today's class I am going to do question number 7 of let us work out 5.6. Okay, so in this question you can see in your book you have two equations, this one and this one. Separately I am doing. Okay, in first question what is written, x plus 2 by 7 plus y minus x by 4 equals to 2x minus 8. Okay, now what you will do, you will take LCM of 7 and 4, it will come 28. 28 divided by 7, 4, and 4 multiply with the upper one. Okay, plus 28 divided by 4, 7, 7 multiply with the upper one. See, I have written 7 y minus x. If there is no sign, it means minus sign, equals to 2x minus 8. Now this 28 will go that side in the second step. 28 into 2x minus 8, and with this one we will open the brackets. 4 into x, 4x, 4 into 2 plus 8, plus 7 into y, 7y, plus minus minus 7 into x, 7x equals to this one. Okay, now in the second step you can see 4x minus 7x plus minus minus, so it will come 3x minus 3x. Why? Because 7 is greater, with 7 we have minus sign. Then I have written plus 7y plus 8 equals to 28 into 2x will give you 56, and 28 into minus 8 will give you 224. Okay, now minus 3x minus, I am taking this plus 556x this side, it will become minus 56x, minus 224 this side, it will become plus 224. Now see, minus minus plus 56 and 3 will give you minus 59x plus 7y plus 8 plus 224 will give you plus 232 equals to 0. So this is equation 1. Like this I have solved already. Equation 2, 3 and 1 LCM will be 3. 3 divided by 3, 1, and 1 multiplied with 2y minus 3x will give you the same. So I have written already 3 divided by 1, 3. Okay, and 3 into 2y I have written here. This 3 in the next step, this 3 will go that side. So 3 into 3x will give you 9x. 3 into 4 will give you 12. Now see this one, 2y plus 6y, it will give you 8y, and minus 3x equals to 3 into 3x will give you 9x. 3 into 4 will give you plus 12. Okay, now see 8x, 8y minus 3x, I am taking this to this side, so it will become plus 9x will become minus 9x, plus 12 will become minus 12. Okay, now minus 3x minus 9x, minus minus plus 9x plus 3x will give you 12x minus 12x plus 8y, and then minus 12. I have written these two equation here to solve the question after using cross multiplication method. So after that what you will do, you will write x, y, 1, this is so compulsory, then upon sign, then equals to sign. Okay, now when you are writing x1, you will cover this x1 and you will do cross multiplication between the 7y and minus 12. So 7 into minus 12 you will write 7 into minus 12, then minus sign is compulsory. Then which one, the upper one you will go, this upper one you will go, minus 12 upper one, it is 232 into 8, 232 into 8. Since we have no minus sign, I am not writing any sign with 8 and 232 because it is already positive. Now for y, we will cover the y. Okay, and we will come this side, not this side. So cover the y. After that here you have plus 232. So plus 232 will multiply with which one, cross one. In cross, if you will remove, cover this one, you can see 232, and here you have minus 12. Okay, so 232 into minus 12, then minus sign, then cover this one. Above minus 12 it is minus 59, so minus 59 will multiply with minus 12. Minus 59 is multiplied with minus 12. Okay, now for constant term what you will do, you will cover this one, you will cover this one. Okay, the constant one. When you are covering the constant, you will come to the first point, means x and y. So minus 59 into 8, minus 59 into 8, and then plus 7 into minus 12. See, 7 into minus 12, and minus sign is so compulsory between two numbers. Now my plus into my plus 7 into minus 12 will give you minus 84. 232 into 8 will give you 1856. Okay, 232 into minus 12 will give you minus 2784. Minus sign, then minus minus plus, so 59 into 12 will give you 708. Then minus 59 into 8 will give you minus 472. Then minus sign, 7 into minus 12 will give you minus 84. Okay, now minus minus plus, when you will add, you will get minus 1940. Why minus sign? Because with greater number you have minus sign. Okay, minus minus plus, again you will get minus 3492, then minus 472, minus minus plus, first you will open the bracket, minus minus plus, it will come plus 82, minus plus minus, so minus sign you will put because 472 is greater than 84, you will get this one. Now separately this constant one will go with x also, with y also, na, this is the method. So with this one I have written like this, with this one I have written like this. Okay, now minus minus will cancel from both the side. 388 ones are and 388 fives are, you will get 1940. You can use two stable also. Okay, two stable, then like this you can do also. X by 5 equals to 1 by 1. So cross multiplication, x into 1 x, 5 into 1 5. Okay, there is no sign. Okay, there is no sign present. Now in this one also minus minus will cancel out. 388 ones are and 388 nines are, you will get 3492. You can start from small table also. You will get y by 9 equals to 1 by 1. So cross multiplication, y into 1 y, 9 into 1 9. Okay, so answer is x equals to 5 and y equals to 9. Okay, like this you will do question number. Homework I am giving you. I am giving you homework. Homework is question number 8, 6, 8 and question number 6, 8 and 9. Okay, thank you.